Hi, I'm Jody Darren. 'Tis the season to show friends and loved ones how much you care. And giving a gift basket filled with baking goods will help them save time in the kitchen while creating magical memories. Today I'm going to make this holiday gift basket that will provide lots of seasonal cheer. Let's get started. For this gift basket, I've opted for a more traditional wicker container to tie in with holiday colors and themes. But remember, you can use a wide variety of containers to fit your gift's theme or contents. Now for some basket filler. I've chosen some rich green tissue paper to accentuate the wicker's warm natural colors. But you can use almost anything for great filler. Maybe some old holiday sheet music or wrapping paper. Just be sure to fill the basket about 3/4 full. Now for the goodies in the basket. Start their day off with a bag of Folgers Gourmet Selections coffee. Next, you can add this Pillsbury Holiday Funfetti Cookie Mix. And how about some Easy Frost Holiday No Fuss Frosting? And you can also add in these Crisco baking sticks. They're all vegetable shortening. It's a key ingredient for your holiday cookies. Next, add in some Eagle brand sweetened condensed milk for traditional fudges and cheesecakes. And of course, add a jar of your favorite delicious Smucker's jam or preserves. And my favorite, some Smucker's ice cream toppings. There we go. A little extra decoration. And we're all set. Delicious. Now, after you've packed these gifts, don't forget to print and include the yummy recipes you'll see right after this video. Or you can add them to your own recipe collection. Now for a finishing touch. Some red cellophane to fit our theme. There are endless wrapping options that you can use during the holidays. Just be creative and have fun. And the finishing touch, our bow. Plus, you can use some of the great gift tags you'll see right after this video as well. There, we're done. The holiday basket. A great gift basket that's filled with holiday spirit.